It's your girl, and she's back. That's right, back with another DIY. You see these pieces of wood that my plants are sitting on right now? We're going to take those and we're going to turn it into legit plant stands. This is actually leftover wood from a project that I just never completed. So these are the products that I use. I use this wood stain with this gloss sealant. I had these legs from another project that I never used. We're going to stain those. These are the connectors that's going to combine two pieces of wood and make it one. And these are the plates that I'm going to use to turn these pieces of wood into legs once I cut them in half. So here you just have me drilling using the connectors to attach the two pieces of wood together. And this is the finished product. It was real simple. It really wasn't hard at all. I love the way that it came out. I love the color of the wood. It actually matches the couches that I did previously. So, but yeah, I like it. My plants are now off the floor and it looks good. So, what do you guys think of the finished product?